Hi and welcome. My name is Erica George, and today I'll be introducing to you the app called NewAge. It's a project for ALX Software Engineering course, and I'm the front end developer of this project. Now, on my screen is the PowerPoint presentation of everything and the processes we're supposed to the step-by-step process of how we aim to achieve our goal, which is to create an app that helps secondary school students navigate their studies through the secondary school level easier. From my explanation, we can see that the app caters to the parents, the students, the teachers, and also the school management board. The team members of this project include Chukudi, Erica, Dimeji, and Ayodeji. Each and every team member has been assigned roles based on their previous level of expertise and their strengths. The learning objective of this project is API development and integration, React and state management, user authentication and security, and full stack development to enable us merge both the front end and back end together and create a cohesive and effective application. Generally, let me just say we're in the business of problem solving. Now, some technologies used for both the back end and front end include React, CSS, and others is indicated on my screen here. Moving further, we're going to highlight some challenges encountered by the students, parents, teachers, and also the school management board individually, because we aim at targeting each and every sector which we've listed here and to make sure that everybody's need is met. In the course of this project, we overcame some challenges and we also listed them there. Now, let's proceed to the GitHub so that I can show you the codes that brought this dream to reality. Now, I'm showing you the code style of the web page. It shows you the written, sets the color, the layout, the font, and general organization that makes this application work well on phones and computers. Now we're in the CSS file where we've set the font, color, spacing, center heading, paragraphs, and links while keeping everything neat and tidy. Now moving to the HTML file, which builds the web page. It sets the titles, that's like the style from the CSS, and creates a blank spot where the React adds content using a script, the main.js file. Now, while preparing this project, we try to put into consideration various aspects of the project. Like I said earlier, we put into consideration the teachers, the students, the parents, and the school management, which are important sectors in the secondary school educational system. We inbuilt a framework that caters to each and every one of them. We can see the admin registration to show some activities that go on in the school, like the award ceremony, the excursions, the group discussion activities that go on in the school, and the comments of the students in each of these parts of this project. Now, the back end, which is the brain of this project, will handle all the data and actions this web page needs. Like, I'm going to give an example shortly. When someone uses a site and is trying to get a reaction, the back end using the program like Node.js to understand what the user wants, talks to the database and sends it right back. Now, I'm going to try to show you some aspects of this app on my screen. I'm going to show you how reactive it is. Now, this is the principal's office, and we're going to move next. We still need to add some things, but as at the time of production of this video, this is how far we've gone. We're going to move now to the counselor section, which is an important part of the school body to maintain the mental health of the students and even also the teachers, which is very necessary. Then we're going to proceed again to the dashboard of the students, showing their grades and their performance. The dashboard will indicate the junior secondary school student or the senior secondary school student. After login has occurred, we're still working on that. Now I'm going to proceed to log in without registering first. Let's see how responsive this is. We can see that because registration has not occurred, this email address is not identified. Now we intend on creating specific authentication for students and admin registration individually. We are still working on that. This is just a demo of how we intend to work. Now we've seen that the dashboard is responsive, and like I said earlier, we intend on creating a specific authentication process for the students of each school that is going to subscribe to this application. Now let's move over to the parent dashboard. Let me show you what it looks like. Now, in the parent dashboard, it is an additional detail compared to the student dashboard. In the parents dashboard, we're going to be showing the parents the days of attendance of the child and any other activity that the child will need to be involved in. In the parent dashboard also will indicate school fees payment and other payments plans that the school intends on implementing. Because of course it's a business and money is very important in the running of every business. Now, from working on this project, I can say that we have learned a lot, and the shortcomings of the educational system in our country, we've seen it, and we now have the tools and the power to do something about it. And we want to say thank you to ALX for this privilege, this platform, to know how we can add value to our individual communities and make the world a better place. Thank you.